Looking to elevate your display experience? The IOGEAR USB-C to 8K HDMI adapter lets you push your visuals to the next level, supporting up to 8K resolution at 60 Hz or 4K at an impressive 120 Hz. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or streaming, this adapter transforms your USB-C port into a powerhouse for ultra-high-definition content. What makes this adapter stand out is its compatibility. It works seamlessly with any USB-C device that supports DP Alt mode, including USB 4, Thunderbolt 3, and Thunderbolt 4 ports. No need to worry about complicated setups or drivers. The adapter is truly plug and play, requiring no external power to get started. Beyond resolution, the adapter supports Dynamic HDR10 Plus for richer colors and deeper contrast. It also complies with HDCP 1, 4 and HDCP 2, 3 standards, ensuring smooth playback of protected content across your favorite platforms. This means you get crystal clear, vibrant visuals whether you're watching movies or working on high-end projects. Setting it up is straightforward. Just connect the USB-C end into your device and plug the HDMI adapter into an HDMI 2.1 cable linked to your 8K monitor or UHD TV. The result? Ultra-high-definition clarity that's perfect for professionals and enthusiasts who demand sharp, fluid visuals without compromise. Users across the U.S. have praised IOGEAR's reliability, especially when switching between different operating systems. For example, one customer easily shared a Brother laser printer between Windows 10 and Linux using IOGEAR switches, highlighting the brand's versatility and ease of use. This adapter carries that same promise of hassle-free performance. If you're ready to upgrade your display setup with crisp, high frame rate video, the IOGEAR USB-C to 8K HDMI adapter is worth a look. It's designed to meet the demands of modern workflows and entertainment, delivering what you need without extra fuss. Why settle for less when your USB-C port can deliver stunning 8K visuals and smooth 4K motion? Try the IOGEAR USB-C to 8K HDMI adapter when you're ready to experience the future of high-resolution connectivity.